Alrighty guys, welcome once again to the Combustion Guys Hunting Cars Online. We're taking a look at the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. Let's get into it and build it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so we get the 1958 Land Cruiser option, the Land Cruiser, and the first edition Land Cruiser. What are the differences between these? Well, 55,000, 61,000, 74,000. That's what we know for sure. So let's get into the 1958 Land Cruiser here. We can also rotate it. Nice. Alright, so we got the black interior, the meteor shower, and ice cap. We'll go with the meteor shower, that's good. We got black interior on the inside. Take a look at that right there. Doesn't look too bad. Not bad at all. Back to the outside, look at all nice on the vehicle. We got the 2.4 liter IMAX hybrid engine, the 4-time 4-wheel drive system, and 8-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission. Towing options, we can add ourselves the ball mount. We can also do storage, convenience, phone cable, dash cam, lighting. We can get the illuminated door sills, thank you. Vehicle protection, get our carpeted floor mats or all-weather mats. We'll definitely go with the all-weather mats, and also our skid plate, we'll add those. Styling, we'll add some door. And roof racks, we can also add the roof rack on top, which I think will actually make it look a lot nicer. And that's really, apparently, all that there is. That is all that there is, really, to build on that. So here's the summary. 61,560. Taking a look at all the stuff there. That's a lot. So that's a nice blue interior now that I'm noticing that. Or blackish blue. Looks like blackish blue interior, honestly. So that's really all that you can do on the base level Land Cruiser. There really isn't much to it there. So we'll move on back and get ourselves the next option, which of course is the Land Cruiser just by itself. So we got two different two-tones here. We got the Trail Dust Grayscape, which looks good. We also have the Heritage Blue Grayscape. We also have black, the Wind Chill Pearl, the Meteor Shower, the Ice Cap, and the Underground, which ooh, that looks pretty good to me. We'll go with the Heritage Edition. That looks really, really good. We got ourselves a few different interior options. There we go. We got the Java Softex. Yep, update. We got the Java Leather. We got the Black Softex, which really looks like a blue to me. And then we got the Leather. We'll go with the Java Leather because, I mean, I just absolutely love the Java interior color. One of my favorites all time. Same engine options and everything. So, taking back a look at the outside here, we can get ourselves 20-inch alloy wheels. See what those look like. Ooh, hello there. I like it. Moonroof is also available, but we'll skip that here for Florida. Not one of the favorite things for us to have, because it usually causes leaking. So we can get the basic crossbars up here, or we could cover those up with the roof rack. Totally take off the crossbars and replace that with the specialized roof rack in the back, which would give it a definitely more of the iconic Land Cruiser look. We got dash cam and phone cable. Nowadays a dash cam really isn't that bad of an idea, honestly, because of all the city drivers you have to deal with. Illuminated door sills, absolutely. All-weather cargo mat, yes please. Front skid plate also, yes. And that is all we got on that. Let's take a look at the vehicle. It looked really good. Nice. And we're looking at 61,950, go all the way to the bottom, and we're looking at a beautiful total of 72,960 with delivery, processing, and handling fee. That's pricey, but it also is a very good looking vehicle there as well. It looks good. Love the interior look of that. So it looks good, that's for sure. Now we're heading back. There we go. Yep, exit and delete, and we're going to go to the first edition. So what's special about this one? I am not totally sure. What I believe is it's got like the older style of the Land Cruiser, potentially. We got black leather as your only option for this one, so that's the only option you get. We got the Trail Dust Grayscape, or we have the Heritage Blue. I'm going to go with the Heritage Blue once again, and basically towing. All of these options are the same, so let me see here. Let's exit and delete. When I want to see details, what do we got? So Land Cruiser right here, we get heated front seats and steering wheel, we get rear and centered locking differentials, we get a 2400 watt AC inverter, nice, Toyota Safety Sense, we get the 3.8-in Toyota Audio Multimedia Touchscreen Wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Compatibility, 18-inch stock metallic alloy wheels, so that's obviously just what comes standard view, all Land Cruiser features, So that's that one there. The highlighted features for the Land Cruiser itself is multi-terrain monitor, ooh, very nice. The Rigid Industries color selectable LED fog lights, ooh, okay, that's nice. Stabilizer disconnect mechanism, SDM. I believe that means you can take the stabilizer off if I'm reading that correctly, but that could mean something totally different, but I believe that's what I'm reading. The 12.3-inch Toyota Audio Multimedia touchscreen, well, we could definitely live without that. The multi-terrain select MTS with auto dirt, sand, mud, rock, and deep snow, nice. Softex trim seats, illuminated entry, rectangular LED headlights, so that gets the different style headlights on there. And then, so there we go, different headlights, round headlights, so there we go. The highlighted features on the first edition, you get an upgraded engine and transmission skid plates, you get rock rails, 3/4 length roof rail, so that right there looks good. Leather trim seats, 14 speaker JBL premium audio, multi-terrain monitor, front and rear heavy duty mud guards. Ooh, yeah, I did see that. Didn't see that before. Okay. And first edition interior embossed logo. Debossed. I'm thinking they mean embossed because I don't think it's supposed to be debossed logo. Let me check. What does debossed mean? Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, so apparently that's a thing. Okay. Very good. As long as it's a thing, we're good. Just wanted to make sure that they didn't have a spelling error. And circular LED headlights, which comes standard also on the Land Cruiser 1958 edition as well. So, alrighty. So, that's really about it. They don't give you a whole lot of options to really customize on these, but they definitely look good. I think definitely, for me, the best option is probably going to be this one right here, the just the base Land Cruiser. You get that. There we go. There we go. Heritage Blue, and then of course get that Java leather in there as well, because that's good looking leather. Anyways. But yeah, that's probably the one that I would go with if I was in the market to buy a Land Cruiser. So, anyways, guys, that's going to be it for us today. Looking through the 2024 Land Cruiser, and they definitely look good. I haven't heard anything on how they actually handle or drive around, so we have to see if we see anything on that. But they definitely look good. Do they actually drive good? That's a good question. So, anyways, guys, that's going to be it for us today. Thank you for watching. See you guys here next time. Bye-bye.